Welcome to the J&J Auto Wrecking test video of S2GM368, a 2002 GMC Sierra C3. Very rare truck. Get it out of the way here, guys. It's got Quadrasteer. 226,475 miles. What y'all came for. I'm not going to make you wait till the end. There she is. Before the Hummer EV was crab walking in 2002, GMC was stunting on them. Look at this thing. Unfortunately, it fell into the hands of somebody with very low taste, and they absolutely hooped this thing up and then bebopped right through an intersection into a Nissan Altima, landing it at the salvage auction. I mean, luckily it's from Texas. This bed is very nice. I've probably got the only Quadrasteer bed on the East Coast. All sorts of good parts on it. All sorts of terrible things like this badge and I don't know. Are these the angel wing tattoo of the stripper world for the truck? Let me know in the comments down below, because that's sure as hell what it looks like. Sandstone interior. You know, not in good shape, honestly. That's cool. Let me into this door. All right. I mean, for Christ's sake, they even put the stuff back here. Look at it, though. Very, very cool. This thing was once the king of the mountain. Wood grain everywhere. Heated seats, memory. Options that just didn't exist in 2002 in the truck world. And GM said, hold my beer, we're going to upgrade you to champagne with these cool little cup holders. We're going to sell you this truck. I mean, look, we got a personal trip computer, no automatic climate control, but four-wheel steer, beautiful green backlight gauges, Denali specific cladding, all sorts of just weird bespoke stuff for the C3 truck. LQ4 runs great. We're going to sell that bad boy as a swap. Let's test out the transmission. We go right into reverse, right into drive, all of the good stuff. Letting that 6-liter eat. All right, guys, that is going to conclude the J&J Auto Wrecking test video of the 02 Sierra C3 Quadrasteer. Let me know in the comments down below how much you hate me, because by the time you guys see this video, that guy right there will have taken this truck apart. He is responsible for the death of a legend. Everybody, throw Seth some hate in the comments. Just kidding, guys. Anyways, if you're looking for parts, they're going to be on our website. Link in the description. I'm John at J&J Auto Wrecking. Bitcoin saves your wealth, Jesus saves your soul, but nobody could save this truck from AutoZone Chrome. Thanks for watching.